salami and courgette flatbread. Ingredients: 1 small courgette, thinly sliced, 2 teaspoons olive oil, pinched dried oregano or picked fresh oregano leaves, 1 flatbread or Mediterranean wrap, 2 tablespoons chili and tomato pasta, pesto sauce, 2 slices salami, cut into strips, 25 grams emmental, grated. Method: heat oven to 220°C and place a griddle pan over a high heat. Toss the courgette slices in a bowl with the olive oil, oregano and seasoning. Lay the courgette slices on the griddle and cook for a few minutes each side until just tender. Place the flatbread on a baking sheet and spread with the pesto sauce. Arrange the courgette slices on top, before scattering over salami and cheese. Place in the oven and bake for 8 minutes until cheese has melted and the bread's edges are crisp.